Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I wanna tell you how to create a Microsoft Word document online without installation of Microsoft Office in your personal computer. Open the browser you have in your PC. Type the address bar here docs.google.com. Here I am entering docs.google.com. Here you see there are if you want to create your resume, click on that site. If you want to create your letter and project proposal, there are four options available. I want to create a new document for my personal use. Click on blank. Suppose I want to upload some documents in one file and I want that file in .docs form, and Microsoft Office extension is .docs, Microsoft Word extension, Microsoft Access is .exe. For example, if you don't have Office in your personal computer, I want to upload some files from here. Suppose I want to insert some photos of projects or some personal use or some Office files. Suppose I want to upload a file from my computer. These are documents I want to use and paste it into that area. Open them. You can see that my documents are ready to use. Click on file. You can see that these are the options here. You can download it in various forms. I don't have Microsoft Office in my PC, so I want to use this file to save as Microsoft Office Word or Docs document. Here my document is downloading. My document is ready to use and uploaded in various sites for personal use. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.